Yeah, I'll send an email.
You told how many? One?
Hey,
No,
you! Come here! Come here! It's chicken nuggets, but they're in a plastic cup in the refrigerator.
Deflating it. I mean, it's okay.
I don't know why.
Who do they belong to?
Okay.
It doesn't have any initials on there. I'm not sure. But since we've got everybody in the room, I don't know. We've also got checking for fingerprints. PRB. Check this out.
The mac cheese is community.
PRB.
Hey, look at this mac cheese. Here's a whole bowl of it.
This is going to be sitting here for about a week
Let's get a light
while
on.
it decompresses.
And a fan. It's not what I need to do.
Probably never be cleaned.
Check it out.
Mac and cheese cannot be cleaned after
Frozen
it's
apple. It's been here.
How long has it been there?
I think it's been since Tuesday, maybe?
Really?
Yep.
Around Tuesday.
This is actually a good state of the dish.
It's just
the
too hard.
It's too hard to get that mac and cheese off
You have to let it soak.
for up to 2 weeks.
Yes.
Minimum of 1 week.
I mean,
Okay.
it's some
Come
point
here.
legitimate, I think.
Check this out. I don't know if you can see colors on that thing. Here's like the normal bread color. That's the normal bread color. That's not the normal bread color.
That's not a reflection. That is green. Take this out.
No.
That's actually green?
Let's go outside and open this
I
up.
can't even see that.
It's
Is that, you sure that's not the light?
Dude, it's definitely green. Here,
turn the camera light off.
Why do we still have it?
alright. Light is off.
Because
It's definitely green, dude. Even though it kind of looks like it's just a glow, like that's definitely green.
To the left, to the left.
I think we just got locked in.
Move all your stuff to the left.
Alright guys, this is gonna be bad.
Don't breathe it out.
Rage. Nobody breathe in.
It's rage.
Don't get scared.
There's rage in that bag.
Just one piece, David.
The Persian
It would be
army.
nice to play with
Like this?
Anthrax.
Just one piece.
no!
wow! Here's my sock for comparison, color comparison.
Green on the
Look
sock.
at look at the.
Dang.
Green
Oh
toast.
gosh, there goes another one.
No, stop that.
Green
You gotta
eggs.
throw that away.
Green eggs and ham.
Green Eggs and Ham doesn't have anything on this.
Yeah, this.
You gonna touch it?
Ew.
Ew.
It's supposed to be the same color as the brown on the bag, essentially.
Whose are those? Beets? Elsa.
Where have you been?
Is anything not Beets that we know?
Uh,
Check out the toenail clippers.